Welcome to Gorilla's Friday Challenge, Week 17 with Gorilla Test Papers. This weekly series is designed to help you master all key topics in the SEAG specification. This week we will look at the topic of calculating the mean. This is the first question of the week. The question asks, in a class test, the scores were 11, 15, 14, 17, 13, 16, 12 and 14. What is the mean test score for the class? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. Alright, let's get into it. The learning point of the week is that to find the mean, you have to add up all the numbers and then divide by how many numbers there are. So using our learning point, we first want to add all the test scores together. So we'll do 11 plus 15 plus 14 plus 17 plus 13 plus 16 plus 12 plus 14, which gives us a total of 112. So now we divide this total by 8 as there are 8 test scores. So we do 112 divided by 8, which equals 14. That means the mean test score is 14. This is the answer for this question. This is the second question of the week. The question asks, the temperatures over a week were 11 degrees Celsius, 13 degrees Celsius, 12 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, and 9 degrees Celsius. What is the mean temperature for the week? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. Alright, let's get into it. So using our learning point again, we first want to add all the temperatures together. So we do 11 plus 13 plus 12 plus 10 plus 14 plus 15 plus 9, which gives us a total of 84 degrees Celsius. So now we have to divide this total by 7 because there are 7 temperatures. So we do 84 divided by 7, which gives us 12 degrees Celsius. That means the mean temperature for the week is 12 degrees Celsius. This is the answer for this question. This is the next question of the week. The question asks, students had the following heights: 152, 147, 149, 151, 148, 150, 151, 152. What is the mean height? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. Alright, let's get into it. So using the same method as before, we first want to add up all of the heights. So we do 152 plus 147 plus 149 plus 151 plus 148 plus 150 plus 151 and plus 152. That gives us a total of 1,200 centimeters. Now we want to divide this total by 8 since there are 8 heights. So we do 1,200 divided by 8, which equals 150 centimeters. This means that the mean height is 150 centimeters. This is the answer for this question. This is the fourth question of the week. The question asks, look at the table to the right. It shows how many pages each student read in 1 week. What is the mean number of pages read by the students? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. Alright, let's get into it. So let's look at the data in the table. So Ben read 42 pages, Sarah read 38 pages, Dylan read 44 pages, and Emma read 48 pages. So now, just like before, we have to add all these figures together. So we do 42 plus 38 plus 44 plus 48, which equals 172. Now we want to divide this total by 4, since there are 4 students. So we do 172 divided by 4, which equals 43. That means the mean number of pages read is 43 pages. This is the answer for this question. This is the final question of the week. The question asks, the mean time 5 friends spent exercising in a week was 45 minutes. Look at the table to the right. It shows how long 4 of them exercised. How many minutes did the 5th friend exercise? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. Alright, let's get into it. The second learning point of the week is that to find the missing value when you're given the mean, multiply the mean by the number of values to get the total. Then subtract the known values from that total to find the missing value. So let's start with the mean. We know the mean is 45 minutes and is based on 5 friends. So we first want to multiply the mean by the number of friends in order to find the total amount of time all 5 friends exercised. So we do 45 multiplied by 5 gives us 225. Next we have to add the times together for the 4 friends shown. So we do 50 plus 42 plus 48 plus 40, which gives us 180 minutes. Now, to find the missing friend's time, we subtract the known total from the overall total. So we do 225 minus 180, which gives us 45 minutes. So therefore, the fifth friend exercised for 45 minutes. This is the answer for this question. Congratulations, you have now completed this week of Gorilla's Friday Challenge by Gorilla Test Papers. If you're looking for more SEAG materials, head over to our site at www.gorillatestpapers.co.uk for all the resources you need. Don't forget to like this video and let us know how you did in the comments. We'd love to hear your score and any thoughts you have about the series. See you next week for another session of Gorilla's Friday Challenge.